Welcome to another video in the MallincamSky video series. Today we will be talking about how to install MallincamSky. So either this is the first time you are actually installing the Mallincam software, or you've already uninstalled a previous version and you're updating to the latest version. The first step you should always make sure is the camera is not plugged in. So if the camera is plugged in, please uninstall the camera. Now we will need to go to the Mallincam website, and let me bring that up for us. It's www.mallincam.net. Scroll to the software download section. It will bring out the page, and scroll down and you'll see a list of all the versions of the software. Now Mallincam provides quite a few different versions depending on your needs. Most of us will be just using the MallincamSky software Windows, and you just need to click here to download that. But Mallincam also provides a directShow version. This allows other software that uses directShow to control the camera, and even those of us that want to use the Mallincam as either a guide camera, there's an ASCOM driver for that, or even software that only utilizes ASCOM, there's a version of the driver for that. What Rock has also done, he will sometimes provide all of these versions locked inside a zip, and all you have to do is download that and you will see a zip version which contains all the previous versions. I will show you how to use and install all of these versions. So I have already downloaded these versions, so this will make life a bit easier for us. So once you've downloaded, go to your download file, and then you'll have either the individual programs. As you notice, I've downloaded the full versions and the zip version. Now if it is a zip version, all you will need to do is take your zip file, left click on it, and you will see either the ability to open or unzip, and I usually do unzip, and you just hit the file that says, or the icon control tab that says extract files. Click on that, give it the permission to do so, and it will create a file folder with that zip information right here. You double click on that, and you've got all the versions. So you've got the Windows software version, you actually have a Mac version, a Unix version, and then the ASCOM version, as well as the directShow. Now myself, I've chosen the latest version, which came separately from the website. Now to install, first thing we're going to do is we're going to install the actual MallincamSky. So double left click on that. Windows may give you a warning saying, hey, I'm not sure about this. I'm running installing a new program. Are you sure? Just click more information, give it permission. Windows will start extracting the file and installing it. You'll see a blank screen here. It's just a Windows warning that says, okay, are you sure? Just say yes, and then just follow the windows that follow, giving it permission. Install it where it says it should install, and we are done. I unclick the run and just say finish, and MallincamSky is installed. And you may notice it as it places a MallincamSky icon on your screen. Now I do use directShow and ASCOM, so let me just install the directShow. So again, when we double left click on the directShow command, it will pop up a Windows prompt asking for permission, which the recording software won't display, but just give it permission. So let's double click this, left click to install it. Yes, I want you to do it. Run anyways. There's my window that says, are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. And then permission and the location. So again, let it put it where it needs to put it. Install. and we're finished. Now that just means that directShow is ready to rock and roll. Now, if you want to use ASCOM, you must make sure that you've already installed ASCOM on your computer. So if you haven't done that, just go to the ASCOM website and then make sure you've downloaded your ASCOM, the latest version of the ASCOM platform. Otherwise, you won't be able to install the ASCOM drivers. So I've already got that, as you can see over here. So I'm going to install both ASCOM drivers. Now, this is the ASCOM driver that controls the camera as a whole. So those programs that utilize ASCOM that want to access the video capabilities of the camera will use this driver. So again, double click, left click, give it OK, run anyways. It will give us that warning. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. And then accept the agreement, say next, install. You don't have to view the README unless you like reading those. I unclick that and say finish, and the ASCOM driver for the camera is installed. Now, if you want to use your SkyRadar as a guide camera, then you can also download the ASCOM ST4 setup. So again, I'll double click that. More information, run anyways, give it permission, I accept, next, install the beastie, I don't need to read me, and we are done. So that's it. We've actually installed the actual software. We've installed the directShow version and two different ASCOM, one to control the camera as a video camera and the other one to allow the camera to act as a guide camera. Hopefully this video will make the installation process fun and easy. Now, when installing the actual MallincamSky, you may get a warning about installing this other little components. Just give yes as the answer to those, as it's installing some of the drivers it needs. Hopefully this was helpful for you. And again, as usual, if you have any questions, don't be afraid to jump on to the Mallincam user group and ask away, and one of us will get back to you. Again, thank you for watching.